Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post a job on LinkedIn. First of all, and of course, you need a LinkedIn application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android or App Store if you're using an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go sign in to create your account. If you already have an account, ignore all of that, log into your account and let's get straight to it. So, let me just launch my LinkedIn. And as we said, we want to post a job. So all I need to do, just go and click at the post icon at the bottom here. So if I click on that, I'll find here a lot of options. So what do you want to talk about? Of course, you can post a photo, video, template, celebrate an occasion, add a document, share that you're hiring, find an expert, create a poll, or create an event. So of course, if you want to post a job, you should share that you're hiring. So just click on that, and here as you see, you have to create a job. So you can now choose hybrid as a worked out option, so I don't care about that. So here all you need to do is just add a job title. So maybe you're looking for, you're looking for an engineer, or maybe working, I don't know what you're looking for. So just here enter the job title, which is of course you have to do it. It's not optional, it's necessary, because if you find here this like star, a small star, that means it's necessary, it's not optional. So as you can see here, it's in the screen in questions, we don't have the star at the right of the name of the headline, so that means it's optional, but those are really important and necessary to fill. So here you'll just need to add the job title, workplace type, job location, company, job type, description, and if you want, you can add some screening question. So the hiring folder frame will be added to your profile, will notify close connections that you're hiring. And after you fill all of that, all you need to do, just go and click at done and you will be all done. So that will be for the video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.